The Little Lost Chick. Once upon a time, on a big farm, a mother hen lost one of her chicks. The chicks was happily digging in the ground the whole day, paying no attention to what was happening around him, until evening came and he realized neither his siblings nor his mother were nearby. Everyone had gone home without him, and in fact, while digging, he had strayed quite far. How do I find my way home now? I don't know this place at all, exclaimed the chick in fright. Just then he noticed a big dark shadow approaching him. It was the shadow of the farmer's house who was just returning to his pen. How can I help you, little fellow? Asked the horse. I think I'm lost. Actually, I'm sure I'm lost. I'm already so tired, replied the chick, yawning. I was looking for the treats in the yard all day and now it's time to sleep, but I cannot find my way home. I have no idea where my home is. The horse whined in sympathy and immediately offered, if you want, you can sleep over in my stable. There's plenty of room there. It was twilight now, and the farm was cloaked in half darkness. Crickets were singing their goodnight song to the farm animals, and the chick agreed to stay in the horse stable for the night. But the wooden door there was too hot and cold. Don't you by any chance have a slightly softer and warmer place where I could sleep? Asked the chick. At first, the horse just neighed in surprise. Softer and warmer? Why would you want that? He asked, puzzled. I always just stand over there and corner. I always just stand over there in the corner and sleep. The horse had no idea that chickens don't sleep standing up like horses do. They need a comfy warm place to snuggle down in. The chick didn't like the stable the tiniest bit. There was no way he would be able to close his eyes and nod off there. So he set out, still looking for his hen coop with his family and his soft bed. He wandered desperately around the big yard, barely dragging his tired legs behind him, when he heard a sound coming from the pond. Who's there? The scared chick asked timidly. The sound came again. The chick was about to run away from a duck emerged from the dense forest. The chick sighed in relief. He knew the duck well. He was very happy to find someone familiar. Since it was already completely dark in the yard and he still didn't know how to find his way home. What are you doing here so late? You should be in the hen coop with your mother. The duck quacked at him. I got lost, but I'm tired and sleepy. I want to be with my mom, but I cannot find her, sobbed the chick. Well, you can't wander about here all alone at night. Come and sleep at our place, the duck said. The chick cheered up. He would have a place to sleep. Where do you sleep? He asked, curious. You swim all day long? I have never seen your home. Oh, the water is our home, replied the dog with a quacked laugh. We sleep there too. You can't get much better than being rocked to sleep by the gentle ripples. But the chick was already shivering from the cold. The thought of having to spend the whole night in the cold pond water filled him with dread. So on he went, sad and exhausted. Unfortunately, it started to rain heavily. The other animals were in their bed, but the cold, soaked chick kept on wandering around the large farmyard looking for the hen coop. It was pitch black and the yard was very big. He didn't know which way to turn. His legs were really sore and tired, so he sat down on a stone and tucked his head under his wings. I can't go on anymore. I'm exhausted, he wailed. Then suddenly he felt warmer. What a beautiful dream! I think I'm dreaming of a sun that is warming me up, he thought sleepily. Then the dream disappeared as soon as it had begun, and instead he felt a wet, cold nose on his back. The warmth was coming from Dingo the dog, who guarded the animals on the farm. Oh, you scared me, cried the chick. What are you doing out here so late? Barked the protective dog. I'm lost. I cannot find my way home. I need my mom, said the sad chick. Dingo knew exactly what to do. Like any true guard dog, he knew every corner of the farmyard like the back of his paw. He knew where the chick's home was. Come with me, I'll take you to home. It's time you would sleep, Dingo said softly, lifting the tired chick onto his back. Sure enough, it wasn't long before they arrived at the hen coop, tired and sore, but happy. The chick thanked Dingo and hurried up the small ladder to join his sleepy siblings and his beloved mother. All the chickens has been terribly worried about him. They would have stayed up waiting for him to come home and wondering what awful thing might have happened to him. They were all delighted to have him back. Relieved and thankful, the chick finally laid down his Relieved and thankful, the chick finally lay down in his soft warm bed and fell fast asleep. After all, wherever you go, you can always find a place to sleep, but it never quite feels as good as your own bed. Good night and sweet dreams.